How to swipe on plenty of fish dating app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can swipe on plenty of fish dating app, and I'll show you what swiping left or right means. So simply make sure to stick with me till the end. Now of course, the first thing that you actually want to do is simply go ahead and launch the plenty of fish dating application. Then once you launch the plenty of fish dating app, you'll be able to see this kind of interface, right? So there are two types of swipes. One is the left swipe and one is the right swipe. If you like them, then you swipe right and then you'll see a heart icon. But if you don't like them and you don't want to like them, you can swipe left and then you'll see this crossed out icon, right? So swiping right means the heart icon, and then swiping left means basically a crossed out icon. So if you like a specific person and then you also show up on their profile page and then they also swiped right on you, it basically means that you both have matched with each other. But if you swipe them and then they don't swipe with you, which means they swipe left to you, because they don't know obviously who have swiped them unless they have premium, then in that case you will not be a match. So if you swipe them and then they also swipe right on you, it basically means that you are a match. And after you match with a specific person, you can come to this inbox page over here and then you will be able to simply go ahead and then message them right away. That is simply one of the things of swiping on plenty of fish. The other thing you can do is you can still message them without swiping, and that is that you simply want to tap on their profile. And then here you'll see the little hi icon, right? Just tap on it. But the problem here is that you have to send them a first contact. First contact is a feature that will allow you to send messages without having to match, but it is limited on free accounts. So if you want to get unlimited or more first contacts, then you have to upgrade it to the premium version, because if you don't have a premium, you will not be able to swipe and then actually send them a first contact. You only have one left today, which means I can only send one message per day. And basically this is it on how you can go ahead and then swipe on plenty of fish. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.